Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Let's start. So first, just make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account, of course, and you've accessed your story. There's an option at the bottom part of the page that says create. So if you just click on that one, and guys, you will be actually led here. Wherein at the left side you would be able to see different choices, right? Have your audio, highlights, or if you want to change your speed. So there's like items that you can edit. Now, if you notice, there's something like there's a little square at the left portion below of the page that has a plus sign. So this is your way of adding more photos more than one. So for example, if I want to add this one, just click on add. And then if I want to add more photos, just continue to add. Okay. So this is one way of actually adding that. So please disregard I've incorporated an audio in my story. So you could actually add like lots of photos. It's really up to you. So now that you're able to add, there's a way for you to also change your grid, or say, if you wanna change your layout in terms of the photos, you could also do that. So in this case, say for example, I don't have anything else to add, just hit on next. Okay. So from here, you would be able to notice that your photos have been published. Okay. And it's not just like one photo when you post it. So say for example, I just wanna, I don't like my audio, so I'm just gonna change it, for example. So from there, not your usual way of posting a story of just one. You could notice that there's actually a lot of photos that's gonna be posted on your story. So I think that's it. I hope you liked my video today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.